Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Bhupendra. I hope you are doing great, and today I want to know how is going on your practice, English speaking practice, because I'm doing practice every day and I know what about your English communication, what is your journey, and I hope you are doing practice every day with strangers or in front of anybody, and with alone. My dear friends, many people are told me I am facing so many problems during speaking English language. So my dear friends, today I discuss about the problems, about you are facing problem, because I was facing problem in initial stage. When I started my journey, I did not able to speak English language, and at that time I feel nervous, I feel agitation and afraid in front of anybody. I I did not able to speak one sentence in English language, but my dear friends, after doing lot of practice, now I can speak, I can understand whatever you are speaking and whatever you speak. Anybody, anyone have desire, ambition and goal. Everyone has set goal, but my dear friends, they they cannot achieve their goal they because it it is happen lack of practice, because maybe they are not doing practice. And if you are doing practice every day at least 30 minutes, definitely you will become fluent in English language. No one can stop you. And because my dear friends, uh, I was thinking like you, but my dear friends, I have opportunity. I watched one video, and after watched that video, I got inspired, and at that time I take oath why I cannot speak English language, and at that time taken oath onward. Now till today, definitely one day I will become fluent in English language, and I will speak in front of anybody without afraid agitation. And now I overcome the problems, get rid of fear, hesitation and shyness. My dear friends, you can also speak English if you are doing practice, you have patience, and if you are doing practice uh, with persistence and perseveration, definitely a couple of months you will be become fluent in English language. My dear friends, many person, many people uh, are asking why English is important. My dear friends, you know nowadays what is the importance, what is the value of speaking English language. Because if you are knowing English language, you can speak, you can communicate easily with your boss, with you will crack interview easily if you are knowing English language, my dear friends. So I think now you understand what is the importance, what is the um value of English language. You can communicate with foreign peoples, foreigners, and you will communicate, you will explore your idea, knowledge and beauty. You will explore around your place, around your about your hobbies with someone. And because in India, most of the people are thinking, if person are knowing English language, person is speaking English language fluent, then people's people are thinking uh, the person is genius, the person is intelligent, because he or she is speaking English language. My dear friends, uh, it is not matter, and that is not true, because they are they becoming fluent after doing a lot of practice. And you can also become fluent in English language if you are doing practice every day, and definitely you will achieve your respect, and you will speak eventually. You will become a couple of months fluent in English language. Usually it's happen everybody in initial stage, but you don't think about mistake. If you are doing mistake, you will recorrect the mistake after some days. And because if you are doing practice, if you are speaking, then your vocal cords, your tongues, your mouth uh, will be addicted addicted the speaking of English language. And because English is a strange language, our English is not our mother tongue, so our vocal cords and tongues and mouth mouth are not addicted to speak English language. But my dear friends, if you are speaking, if you are doing practice a lot, then your organs like your mouth, vocal cords and tongues will have a habitual, because it is human tendency, it is human nature. And you will yeah, my dear friends, I would like to tell you some important things. You should why you are not investing your time, why you are wasting your time. So my dear friends, I want to tell you, uh, you should utilize your golden time, and you will learn. You should learn anything, whatever you have knowledge, and whatever you have, because nowadays we have a lot of technology. We have mobile apps, social media, Google platform. We can learn easily whatever I want to, whatever I have desire. So I will learn easy, my dear friends. It is not matter what you are speaking. The matter is uh, you are speaking. At least you are speaking every day, and whatever you have, whatever you want to speak, whatever uh, you are looking around your place, whatever you look around the nature, you, you will discuss. You should discuss the nature, like forest, environment, pollution, employment. We have a lot of topics, so you should discuss about the topics. Then slowly, little bit, you will be fluent while speaking. Many verbs, vocabularies, sentence structures, automatic during speaking will remember easily. And because God has given unlimited GB data, unlimited GB memory on our brain. And so this is my responsibility, how we can utilize, how we can invest. You can use our brain, so that we can unlock energy, unlock remembering power. We so that we can unlock thinking power. And like that, we can explore knowledge and learn so many things, and become successful person on the particular area. My dear friends, many people are asking, whenever I am speaking around the place, my family member, my colleague, my friends are disturbing me, and disturbing me, and they are um, judging me because I'm at that time I'm doing mistake. They are feeling jealous. So my dear friends, you don't think, you don't react to them. You will focus only your work. You will focus on your ambition goal, how you can, how you can achieve your goal, how you can do hard work so that you will achieve your goal. Because after after couple of years, uh, people's only peoples are asking about your goals, what what you have, what you will achieve, what you will achieve, and what is learned couple of years. So my dear friends, it's happen everybody, and you will focus only about how you can do hard work and which technique you will follow, so that you will go, you will go to nearby your goal, and you will do analysis. You should analyze how means how many types of question are you can raise, and so that you will get answer easily on that question, and you will know more, you will know deeply about the topic, about the uh, course, about the area. My dear friends, if you are asking yourself and raising question with yourself, and try to get answer will by yourself, through hard work, then you will surely become fluent in English language. No one can stop you, my dear friends. And you don't procrastinate your work. uh, you will uh, you will fix task little bit. You will fix every day task, and you will try to achieve small task, so that after some time you will uh, a bundle of small task will become a big task. My dear friends, you do you should do only practice whatever you have, and whatever you listen. Yeah, my dear friends, today I wanna tell you another things, another important significant role, important things, which is vital role of improving our English communication. My dear friends, you you follow LSRW technique. L means listening and then speaking. Whatever you are you have listened, then you will try to explore, you will try to speak. And my dear friends, after that, third one is means reading. Listening, speaking, reading. Reading means whatever you have read, whatever you have interest, you will read, and you will discuss, you will discuss while and you will put that sentence structures, that phrasal verbs, and um, vocabularies on your speaking parts. My dear friends, if you are doing like this step by step, definitely you will speak, you can speak without hesitation in front of anybody. My dear friends, like that now upcoming month is maybe it will be raining, so that my dear friends, you will describe about the raining, about the rain, and what is the fundamentals of rain, how it will be raining or it will not be raining. My dear friends, which factors are affecting the rain or which factors are not affecting the rain. My dear friends, if you are follow and you are doing small and small question, then definitely you will ask, you will tell you anybody, and you will speak fluently. Okay, my dear friends, uh, uh, thank you for listening my videos, and I think today is enough session, and I will meet very soon another videos and another session very soon. My dear friends, you will do practice and practice. Practice man is the perfect, and you can do, you can achieve everything, you can do anything, and you will become anything. My dear friends, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.